Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2018 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with the corrosion of iron. An iron pipe is placed underground and connected to another metal, Q, to prevent corrosion of the iron. We are asked to state which metal between copper and zinc would be more suitable to prevent the corrosion of iron. So corrosion of iron is the oxidation of iron to form iron 3 ions. If we don't want the iron to corrode, we need to place it in contact with a metal that is more easily oxidized. So let's look at our table of standard reduction potentials. The substances on here are listed in order of increasing reducing ability from bottom to top. So the stronger a reducing agent is, the more easily it is oxidized. So let's look for the metals that were given. So we have zinc right here at the top. Then we have iron, which we do not want to corrode. And then we're also given copper, which is down here. So if a reducing agent is stronger, it is oxidized more easily. So copper is a weaker reducing agent than iron. And that means if we place the iron in contact with the copper, the iron will rust and the copper won't, which is not what we want. However, if we place the iron in contact with zinc, zinc is a much stronger reducing agent than iron is, and that means that the zinc will be oxidized and the iron won't be. So the metal that we want to use is zinc. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.